Home service, dinner, bulalo, and chicken with rice. Our dinner for tonight. Yes, while watching Izzy's first birthday. Look. Wow, yummy. What's this, Izzy?
Chicken.
You want that? How about this one, bulalo?
Bolero.
You want this one? Okay.
Gusto ko yung ano.
Mais. Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's eat.
Hindi yung mais.
At ito na nga guys, kumakain na nga kami. Actually, ang sarap ng ulam. Ang sarap ng bulalo. At ang sarap ng chicken. Tamang-tama yung bulalo, parang yung bulalo na pang Tagaytay. Tapos yung chicken, ang sarap. Ang lasa. Dalawa lang yung ulam namin pero solve na solve kami. At saka yung kanin, sumobra pa. Pati ulam. At enjoy naman na yun, busog kaming lahat. Yun, we're all done eating. May natira pang ulam, rice, at bulalo.
No, we will not go out. We will sleep
Now,
na.
pahinga lang kaming konti. At tapos, sleeping time. Ay, madilim na sa labas. Oh.
What is this?
Oh no, it's too dark outside.
Oh, look, tingnan mo na ano. Nag-crack yung gamot.
Wow, change outfit. We're going to sleep.
Oh, we taste
So
it.
cold.
Because it's so cold here inside. But the temperature is 25 na. Yan.
No.
Pero malamig pa rin dito sa loob kasi naka 16 pala. Kaya pala malamig. And then matutulog na kami. See you guys.